is here, 2 are here, and 3 are here, and 4 are here, and 5 are here. But there should be 4. No, we are 5. That will not let anybody else. Come on, whoever you are. Come on. What's wrong? You're scaring all the fish away. No, there are 5 of us, not 4. But there should be 4. That will not let anybody else. We cannot find an extra person. Are you sure there are 5? Look, 1 is here. 2 are here, 3 are here, and 4 are here, and 5 are here. 5! Your doing it all wrong. You count yourself twice. Let me show you the right way to count. Everybody, get down on your hands like this. Now, stick your noses into the mud and pull them out. Now, count the holes your nose is made. 1 is here, 2 are here, and 3 are here, and 4 are here.